In today's video, I will teach you how to turn yourself into a cartoon using AI filters. Let's get started. With AI Ease's AI filters, you can transform your regular photo into a creative piece of digital art in seconds. No editing skills required. To do this, open your browser and go to AI Ease AI Filters page. And once you're on the page, you'll see an option to upload your image. So click on the Upload Image button and choose a photo from your computer. For best results, use a well-lit front-facing photo without heavy shadows or obstructions. After uploading, you can check the left panel for all the creative filters available. Here you can try pixel art, oil painting, 3D cartoon, cyberpunk, Lego, clay art, and more. Simply scroll through the filter options and click on the one that you want to apply. And once your image is uploaded and you've selected a filter, click the Generate button. And the AI will work its magic and generate your cartoon-style image in about 10 seconds. When the image is ready, you have a few options. You can either download the image directly to your computer, or share it directly to your social media, or if you're not satisfied with the result, you can select a different filter or regenerate. But take note that after your initial generation, you'll need to upgrade your subscription to use additional filters or regenerate more versions of the image. AI Ease's cartoon filters are a fun and easy way to give your photos a fresh, creative twist. Perfect for profile pics, social media, and just having fun. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.